Want to switch to a private account and don't want everyone to view your posts? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through these steps to switch to a private Instagram account. Now, without any delay, let's get right into it. First, open Instagram. Then, go to your profile. Now, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then, scroll down. Then, tap on Account Privacy. Here, tap on Private Account. Then, tap on Switch to Private. And this is how you switch to a private account in Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos.